Someone say love is for the taken, and here I am with my hand out, waiting for right. I've been living all night, great expectations. What good is it when I'm stranded here and the world just passes by? To help me get out of this place, if I should stumble along in time, how will I know if there are stories written on my face that show I'm strong enough to walk on water, smart enough to be coming out of the rain? All my going where the wind blows. Yeah. Here I stand, halfway somewhere, and thinking about what's in front of me, what I left behind. On my own, supposed to be so easy, and this is what I'm after. Have I lost my mind? Maybe this is my chance, and it's coming to take me away. If I should stumble on a moment in time, how will I know if the story's written on my face that it shows I'm strong enough to walk on water, smart enough to coming out of the rain? All my food, I'm going where the wind blows. Here I am, walking naked through the world, and taking our stairs beside a child.